Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a photo in your Canva project. And this is very simple to do, and I will show you exactly how to do this. Alright, for example, we want to create a YouTube banner. So we click on YouTube banner, now it's loading, and right now we have it just right here. Now we are waiting exactly for this screen because we want to upload a picture from us in our banner. So what you need to do now is we go to uploads and then upload files. Then we go to downloads and let's say this is me. Then we click on this person, double click on this person, and now it's loading right here. And now if you click on this person, we add it here in our Photoshop project. So this is exactly how this works. It's not that difficult, but you need to know it. Alright, if this video helped you out, please consider subscribing or give this video a like. And then from now, thanks for watching.